Instagram theme page business full course. Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to be talking to you about Instagram theme page business, how you can run it, and how it can be a good uprunning and stable passive income for you. So to start things off, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to go ahead and talk about the theme page business in itself. So let's come over to Instagram, okay? Now, what does a theme page business constitute? Basically, you're going to have a professional account. So I'm going to show you how you're going to create a professional account. You're going to come to your Instagram. Once you come over here, click on these three dots, go to settings and privacy. All right. Now, once you come over to your settings and privacy, you're just going to wait for this to load up. And obviously, once it loads up, you are going to get, different types of settings that you can access through your account portals. And you can actually switch your personal account to an actual professional account. And once it switches to a professional account, you can obviously go ahead and then start working with it. Now, every page has a theme. Like this person I follow over here, he has a whole cooking theme. Okay, the UFC has a whole MMA theme. This has a meme theme, So everything and everyone has a theme to follow. Okay, so just come here, go to account types and tools, switch to professional account. Once you do that, follow a theme for your page. So as you can see, my page has a drumming theme. I have constantly uploaded drum covers, drum lessons, drum themes, etc. So it's a whole drumming theme. So once you follow the theme for yourself, how do you actually start doing business on it? What you're going to do is obviously once you've set it to your professional and you're going to start getting outreach, the posts that you're going to be making, like let's say I have this post over here, right? Now, you're going to go into edit if you already have made posts, and in the description of this, you're going to start adding hashtags, okay? And you're going to add the necessary hashtags that are needed for your posts, okay? And because obviously by adding these things, you're going to improve the actual initial commitment to your page. And it's just going to be much better, in my opinion. It's going to work much better with the audience. And I feel like more audiences will come through to your page than if you don't use hashtags. Okay. And obviously, when you start getting views on your reels and when you start getting views on your videos, what happens is that people actually repost a lot of their things. Like you'll see on big theme pages or theme page businesses, people go ahead and repost their old content, but the content which has more views. Like let's say normally their videos get 100,000 views, 200,000 views, 300,000 views, but their video which gets the most views, their video which gets the most follows, like let's say this one is my most followed one. So what you're going to do is you are simply going to go ahead and pin this to your profile. So this brings it to the top and you can repost this for yourself as well. So, it gives you pretty good and general idea, and that is how you're going to run your theme page business. Okay, just keep reposting, adding good content according to your theme, and switch to a professional account, get your insights, and that should become a really good stable income for you. So thank you for watching, and I will see all of you in the next video. Goodbye.